What if Earth's oceans heated 7 degrees overnight? Tonight's mystery. 70% of Earth is ocean. Every single molecule begins heating simultaneously. But heat doesn't distribute evenly. Thermal shock waves radiate outward from hot zones. The water's molecular structure changes instantly. Hydrogen bonds break and reform. Coral reefs bleach white in seconds. 30 years of growth dies instantly. Fish brains swell. Proteins denature. Every creature experiences instant neurological damage. Oxygen dissolves out of seawater. Dead zones expand from minutes to continental scales. Methane hydrate deposits on the seafloor destabilize and release catastrophically. The atmosphere above oceans heats to lethal temperatures within hours of surface contact. Phytoplankton, producers of half Earth's oxygen, die in thermal shock within 1 hour. Coastal cities flood as thermal expansion pushes seawater higher than physics allows. Storm systems intensify exponentially. Category 7 hurricanes form in 12 hours. Thermal currents collapse. Ocean conveyor belts that regulate climate stop dead. Water stratification locks heat in the deep. Surface and depth stop mixing for years. Ammonia and hydrogen sulfide gases begin bubbling from the water en masse into the sky. Whales in the ocean surface gasping for breathable water. Their organs boil internally. Anoxic zones expand toward land. The Great Lakes, the Mediterranean begin to die. Atmospheric CO2 rises 30% instantly from warming-induced ocean degassing. Polar ice sheets that took 10,000 years to form collapse in 90 minutes. Sea level rises 2 meters in 4 hours as ice catastrophically melts into the ocean. Food webs collapse from the base. Phytoplankton, zooplankton, krill, fish gone in hours. Seabirds lose their food source and begin starving within hours of the thermal event. Billions of people depend on ocean fisheries. Food security collapses in a single day. Atmospheric rivers form instantly, causing rain events unseen in the geological record. Deserts become monsoons. Rainforests drown in acid rain. The hydrological cycle inverts. Mass migration begins. Billions of humans flee coastal zones and uninhabitable regions. Nuclear power plants near coasts malfunction. Famines cascade. Governments collapse within weeks. After 6 months, Earth is unrecognizable. Survivors number in hundreds of millions, not billions. Humanity enters a new era. Survival means abandoning everything the old world built. But the mystery remains. Could this happen? Follow the Informer for more secrets.